Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Garmin R10 to your iPhone. First, make sure your Garmin R10 is fully charged. This ensures a smooth setup without interruptions. Next, download the Garmin Golf app from your iPhone's App Store, as this is essential for managing your device and viewing your swing data. Finally, position your R10 on a stable, flat surface, about 7 feet behind your ball, for accurate shot tracking. Now, let's get your devices paired. Begin by turning on your Garmin R10. Simply press and hold the power button until the status light illuminates. Then, open the Garmin Golf app on your iPhone. Within the app, tap on the Devices tab, usually found at the bottom of the screen. From there, select Add Device and choose your Approach R10 from the available options to initiate the pairing sequence. To finalize the connection, you'll see a 6-digit pairing code appear on both your Garmin R10 and your iPhone screen. Verify that these codes match, then confirm the pairing on your iPhone. The app will then proceed with an initial setup and data synchronization, which might take a minute or two. Always ensure your iPhone's Bluetooth is enabled and remains active throughout this process for a stable and uninterrupted connection. Congratulations! Your Garmin R10 is now successfully connected to your iPhone and ready for action. You can now access all the fantastic features within the Garmin Golf app, including various golf simulations, detailed shot metrics, and comprehensive data analysis. Get ready to track your swing, analyze your performance, and take your golf game to the next level with instant feedback and precise measurements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.